I made it to the farm. It's 10 till 4. I'm gonna head in there and get set up, hopefully right underneath that old boy we put to bed last night. So hopefully we'll be carrying out a longbeard here in a couple hours. See you in a little bit. Roosted that bird last night. He only gobbled one time on the limb last night, but he was on fire this morning, man. That's gotta be a mature bird, but I just smoked him. Yeah! Well, here he is. Just a beautiful Illinois bird, man. Just an absolute beaut. It's probably a 3-year-old bird. Just over an inch spurs it looks like, and just a rope on him, man. Look at that. Just a beautiful beard. This is my third bird in probably 10 days, I think. Just got back from Michigan the other day, and me and Nikki hunted here yesterday morning, and we didn't hear any birds. I decided to come back last night and roost, and I heard this bird, and I wasn't quite sure where he was at, but there's a big draw over here and a big draw over there, about a couple 100 yards, and I decided to get right in between them and to see what it was like when he woke up, and he started hammering on the roost periodically. I wouldn't say he was exactly on fire, but he gobbled enough to let me know that he was workable. So I remembered through my scouting that there's this ditch right behind the camera, and he was just on the other side of it. So I figured I was gonna have to get closer to the field because he wasn't gonna want to cross that steep ditch. So I just shifted about 60 yards while he was still on the limb, and it was getting kind of light. It was kind of a risky move, but I got closer to that field edge to where he could walk around the tip of that draw, and sure enough, man, once he hit the ground, I thought I seen him fly down. I hit a couple purrs, man, and he hammered to let me know his direction of movement. He got out in that field. He was about 40 yards, man, and just a beautiful bird, man. My fourth of the year. I am absolutely jacked this morning, man. I got enough time to take care of him and get a tag on him, get the breast out, and get to work on time, man. I am just forever blessed, man. I just absolutely love chasing these birds, and this is an absolute record year for me, man. It's just awesome.